Hello, I'm going to talk about the student's life. Well, throughout our lives, we are immersed in a constant learning path. Each person has own way of perceiving the education that receives and putting it into practice. But it's really important to have a guide and now the steps to follow to take advantage of the education in an optimal way. In the revised contents, a keyword for us is mentioned the word effort. It says that the effort is everything. While it is true that the level of intelligence and personal skills don't stop playing a role in the field of education, but if we don't put effort into what we do, we will not have good results. May seem that our individual conditions don't allow us to do certain things, but the obstacles are overcome with effort. And precisely those obstacles teach us to give more of us. We don't see difficulties as problems. We can see it as opportunities to demonstrate that with effort we are able to achieve our goals. In the student's life, we must complete a series of activities which allow us to learn, reinforce the knowledge, and obtain a grade to finally graduate. Academic performance is the result of how we do these activities. A good high IQ or just to study for the time of a test is not everything. It's important to organize our study time, to use different methods uh, of learning according to our needs, to put aside all distractions, to read, to practice what we have learned. And a good learning does not depend only on the student but also on the teacher and the student environment. Now we have many more resources than before. The correct use of technology, for example, with a good teacher's guide to know how to use this system in an appropriate way, would be very beneficial. The point is that the student can make the most of the advantages that are currently available in the field of learning, that the teacher not only limited to traditional teaching. As students, as we move forward in the long learning path, we need to take the initiative to seek more benefits for our future lives, relying on the resources we have available while we are in an educational institution. This way may a great help for future goals. Well, something in common of all this, in my opinion, is that things are not done alone, that it's necessary to work hard and overcome all kinds of obstacles. In conclusion, to make our student life really profitable, it's crucial to put all the necessary effort, know how to be organized, get the maximum benefit from each learning resource, and take the initiative with courage and decision to move towards what we want to achieve.